Hi, good afternoon, boys and girls. It is Miss Denise and Ollie the Crow. It is so good to see you guys today. Welcome to Story Time with Ollie and Miss Denise. We are going to read another fun book this week, but before we get started, you know we have to sing our hello song. So will you sing with Ollie and I? Yes? Okay, Ollie, are you ready to sing? Ollie's ready. Are you? Okay, let's go. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you, hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed your week. Today we are going to read a book about a lion named Arlo. And Arlo had a problem. He did. He had a hard time going to sleep. Yes, has that ever happened to you before? Sometimes when you go to bed at night and you can't get to sleep? Yeah, has that happened to you, Ollie? Mm-hmm. It's happened to me. And sometimes it can be a little frustrating, can't it? Well, let's see what happens in the story, Arlo, the lion who can't sleep. Okay, we're going to put Ollie down just while we read our story. Okay, here it is. Arlo, the lion who couldn't sleep by Catherine Rayner. So we know it's about a lion, right? And he can't sleep, can he? Nope. Here's our title page. Remember, this author also illustrated the book. That means she drew the pictures too. Arlo was a very tired lion. He had tried everything, but he could not go to sleep. Poor Arlo. The grass was just too prickly, and the earth was just too hard, and the trees were just way too noisy, but the desert was too quiet. The sun was too hot, and the night was too cold. His family was nice and warm, oh, but they wiggled too much. Poor Arlo. Everybody knows that lions need a lot of sleep, and Arlo was exhausted. I get exhausted if I don't get enough sleep, too. Will I ever sleep again? Arlo sighed. But Arlo wasn't the only one who was awake. Who's that? An owl. An owl. Well, of course you will, said the voice from above. I sleep through the day when it's bright and noisy and hot. Shall I tell you how? And the owl began to sing. Think about the places where you'd like to be, the things that you'd like to do, and what you might see. Relax your whole body and slow your breathing down. Imagine you're sinking into the soft ground. As you fall into calmness, so comfortable and deep, your mind will rest and you'll drift off to sleep. So the owl sang Arlo a song. Well, Arlo stretched and he wiggled and he tried to relax while Owl sang her song once more. Arlo thought of the places that he would like to go and see. He imagined bounding up mountains and wading and rivers and climbing enormous trees. And then Arlo imagined that he might need a rest. So he pictured himself all cuddled up with his family snoring. And before he knew it, he was sleeping too. Look, Arlo fell asleep. He listened to what the owl said, didn't he? And he woke up feeling the sun on his coat. He had been asleep for hours and he felt happy and fresh and full of energy. He couldn't wait to tell Owl. "Little Owl," roared Arlo, "I slept! Hooray!" "Well done," came a tired voice from above. "But now you've woken me up." "Oh, I'm sorry," said Arlo. "Shall I sing your song to you?" Owl nodded her tired head, and Arlo began singing. And while he sang, Owl thought of the places that she would like to go and see. She imagined flying over the waters and soaring high and fast and gliding through wild forests. Before she knew it, Owl felt starlight on her feathers. She had slept through the day and felt wonderful and rested. Hooray! Owl and Arlo cheered. "We're pleased you've slept, but now you've woken us all up," the grumpy pride grumbled together. "Sorry," said Arlo, "but we know what to do," hooted Owl, and Arlo and Owl sang together. Think about the places where you'd like to be, the things that you would do there, and what you might see. Relax your whole body. Slow your breathing right down. Imagine you're sinking into the soft ground. As you fall into calmness, so comfortable and deep, your mind will rest, and you'll drift off to sleep. And before long, everyone was sleeping, including Arlo. Everyone, that is, except for Owl, who spread her wings and flew silently into the long, quiet night. Wasn't that a fun story about Arlo who couldn't sleep? So see, maybe if you guys can't sleep at night, maybe you could make up a song and sing it to yourself, or maybe your grown-up could sing it to you. And maybe you can imagine some of the fun things that you want to do during the day. That might help you to go to sleep. Right, Ollie? Yup. Ollie likes to think about things. What do you like to think about? What would you like to do during the day? Oh, he thinks about what Owl was saying, flying and soaring high through the air. Yeah, you would like that, wouldn't you? I kind of would like to do that myself. That always makes me feel nice and comfy and cozy to think about flying up in the air. What about you? What are some things that you would like to do? Well, thank you guys for joining us. We are going to, sing our goodbye song, and then I'm going to ask you a couple questions about summer camp. Okay, you ready, Ollie? Are you guys ready to sing the goodbye song? Okay. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you. Goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Ah, good singing. Okay, kisses are coming. You ready, Ollie? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Good job. Okay, well, you guys blow kisses for Ollie to catch. Okay, Ollie's looking. Oh, there, get it. There's one. Yes, get it. Oh, there's one. And there's one right there. Oh, rub them on your cheek. Good job, you guys. Okay, really quick, how many of you guys are enjoying summer camp? Raise your hand. Whoa, look at all of you. Awesome. I am so glad that you are enjoying summer camp as much as I enjoyed making the videos for you. Well, remember, if you want to sign up, you still can do that, okay? And you guys keep on showing me all the cool things that you are doing and making and all the fun places that you're going for vacation. I can't wait to see them. Well, Ollie and I will see you again next Wednesday for another story time with Ollie and Miss Denise. Bye-bye.